Hi students, good morning. So I am your social science teacher. We already completed one lesson from geography. That lesson, it is the earth in the solar system. Anyway, once again I repeat the same topic in short. First of all, the earth in the solar system. First of all, I have to ask to you, any of you watch the sky in the night time? Which are the things you can see in the sky? Many things we can see, many tiny shining objects we can see in the sky. Okay, then along that tiny objects, there is one more thing we can see in the night time, that is the moon. Okay, can we see the moon in all days? No. The moon we can, once in a month only we can see the full moon. Okay, that night we can call full moon or Purnima. Okay, then later gradually the moon, its size is decreasing. After 2 weeks we can't see the moon in the sky. Okay, full of darkness around us. That day we can call new moon or Amavasya. Now understand what is full moon and what is new moon. Okay, the moon, it has no a special position or a permanent shape. It's changing. The shape and position of the moon, it's changing every day. Okay, next, the moon and the stars, all other shining objects, what we can call that? We can call that members celestial bodies. What is celestial bodies? The sun, the moon and all other shining objects in the sky we can call celestial bodies. Okay, next, stars. Can we count the stars? The number of stars can we count? It's impossible because millions of stars are there in the sky. We can't count. Okay. If you observe, if you watch the sky, many stars are there. What is the features of the stars? The stars, it's twinkling. Okay, stars are twinkling. So, because it has its own heat and light. Okay, you know, the sun is also a star. Now you may arise a doubt, why you do not feel the heat and light of other stars? Sun is also a star, but only we get the heat and light of the sun. Why don't get the heat and light of other stars? It's quite natural. You know the reason? Because the sun is standing very close to the earth, very near to the earth. That's why we get the heat and light of the sun. Okay. So, in the dark night, if you watch the sky, you can see, many group of stars in the sky. Okay, these separate groups, they are making different, shapes. That shapes, it's known as constellations. Okay, so what is constellation? Different groups of stars, it's make different shapes, it's known as constellations. Okay, next we can see always one star in the north side. That star we can say North Star. Okay, North Star we can always we can say in another name we can call in another name, it is pole star. Okay, notes are, it's always showing in the north direction, so it's that star always calling pole star. Okay, so we understand in the sky there is many shining objects. They are we call celestial bodies. Okay, except this, some other bodies, they have no their own heat and light like other stars. From where our earth get its light and heat? The earth, it has no its own heat and light. We all know that. But from where it get? Almost all students know the earth get its heat and light from the sun. Okay. Like our earth, many other bodies also, they have no their own heat and light. Okay. So such bodies we can call planets. Our earth is also a planet. There are 8 planets. So we will learn about the planets and about the solar system in detail in the coming class. Okay, once again I am going to explain these points. So then full moon or Purnima, that means once in a month we can see the full moon, then full of light on that night we can feel. So full moon, that night we can call full moon or Purnima. Then after 2 weeks, the size of the moon, it's decreasing, and after 2 weeks we can't see the moon in the sky. So that night we can call new moon or Amavasya. Next is celestial bodies. What is celestial bodies? The moon, the stars and all other shining objects we can call celestial bodies. Then stars. Stars, we know that stars are, it has its own heat and light. Sun is also a star. It is made up of gases. Constellations. Many group of stars, it's make different shapes, that's known as constellations. Then pole star. Pole star, it's appear only in the north direction, so that star we can call pole star. Then planets. Then include our earth, planets. It has no its own heat and lights. The planets depend upon the earth to get the heat and light. So we can explain about the planets and many other things about solar system we can learn in the coming class. Okay students, you read the topic very well, and if you have any doubt, we have a WhatsApp group for every classes. We already made it. So if you have any doubt, you just send your doubts in our groups. Okay, thank you.